In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a split in Capcut. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove an accidental cut and get your clip back to one continuous piece without any fuss. First, open Capcut. If you're on desktop, launch the editor and open your project or start a new one. On mobile, just tap the app and head into your workspace. Give it a second to load your assets so everything is responsive and ready. Next, add a video to your timeline. You can import a clip from your device and then drag it onto the main track on desktop, or tap Add on Mobile and choose your footage. Make sure you can see the clip sitting on the timeline. That's where all your edits happen. If your clip appears small, use the timeline zoom controls so you can work precisely. Keeping your timeline tidy helps you spot edits and playhead position more easily. Now, split the video. Move the playhead to the exact frame where you want the split to occur. Scrub slowly or zoom in a bit for frame-level accuracy. Click the Split tool, the scissor icon, on desktop, or tap Split on mobile. You'll see your single clip become two separate segments at the playhead. That's great for trimming, rearranging, or adding transitions. But if you made the cut in the wrong place, or simply changed your mind, don't worry. To delete the split, press Undo. This is the simplest and cleanest way to remove the cut. On desktop, click the Undo arrow at the top of the interface, or use the standard Undo shortcut. On mobile, look for the Undo arrow at the top of the screen and tap it once. Undo will reverse your most recent action, so if your last action was splitting the clip, the two pieces will merge back into one seamless clip immediately. If you performed other edits after the split, Undo will step back through those actions in reverse order until it reaches the split, so just keep pressing Undo until the cut disappears. If you go one step too far, you can use Redo to move forward again. Give the timeline a quick play to confirm there's no jump at the former cut point. If everything looks smooth, you're done. As a final tip, get in the habit of using Undo right away when you notice an unwanted cut. It keeps your edit history simple and prevents extra changes from getting in the way. Save your project and you're good to go.